So here we are going to be making the lowest smart point pizza you could probably find. It is the traditional 0 pointed yogurt with the self-raising flour. So it's equal quantities, exactly the same as the pizza dough we've done before. So whatever you're putting in with your yogurt, which Olivia's putting in here just now, and then she will of course do a little taste test because she has to. You're going to be putting in exactly the same amount of the flour as well as. You might need a little bit more flour just to make sure that it's not too sticky, and when you're rolling it out it doesn't get stuck to the surface. So mix these two ingredients and that is your pizza base. That is it completely. So you could roll this out and have a regular shaped pizza with it. Now, I haven't put the ingredients and what the smart points value were because this is more of a method rather than what the ingredients are. So you can see what obviously I've used. I've used my scales to weigh them and everything else. I've combined all the ingredients together. So rather than putting it out on the dough, I'm mixing it all together. And then of course adding in the chicken that I forgot to add in. So again, you could use all 0 pointed ingredients, and again that would keep this down really, really low. So Olivia's going to roll this out and make sure that it doesn't stick. She's very well trained. Roll it out as flat as you can, prick it with a fork. Now this is when you could put it in the oven like a regular pizza base. I don't know what happened there, by the way. Or you're going to be doing this. Now make them bigger squares. I just was trying to trim it. So what you're doing is make them into squares, put your ingredients in the centre, kind of like a calzone, wrapping them up, and then using string to loosely bind round them and turn them into pumpkins, right? It's totally fiddly. It's something you'll probably do once, but never again. But you know what? Olivia loved it. So I used paprika there with just a little bit of water mixed together and glazed over it. And that basically turned them orange. So this was the fiddly part. Like I said, probably won't do this again, but it was good fun and Olivia loved it and they tasted amazing.